hearty good morning, Class 1. How are you all? I hope you are happy, healthy, safe, and at home. Okay, Class 1. So, in EVS today, we are going to do the chapter that is My House and My School. In the last classes, we discussed about what are the different types of houses and all the stuff about school and animal homes. And today, we are going to further move on with the chapter. So watch the video very carefully. Let us revise the previous topics that we have learnt, and let us move on further as well. All right, and the work will be given to you, so make sure that you do the work in a very neat and a clean handwriting in your EVS notebooks, and submit the work before 5 p.m. in the group. Okay, till then, take care, enjoy, have fun, study hard, and make sure that you are safe. Okay, Class 1, so today we are going to revise the chapter that is chapter number 5 of our EVS, and the name of the chapter is My House and School. In the last classes we discussed most of the chapter, and today we are going to revise the topics, the important topics of this chapter. Alright, so let's start. What is a house? A house is a place where we live. And our house protects us from heat, sun, rain, wind, cold, thieves, and wild animals. This is a study room, alright? So this was a house, and we all know that a house is a place where we live day and night, and especially in the lockdown, we are advised to stay at our homes. Why? Because it's the only safest place that is there for us. Alright, it protects us from all the harmful things, that is heat, sun, rain, wind, wild animals, thieves, alright, and lots of diseases. Alright, now we are going to discuss about the different rooms of our house. Number 1 is study room. So we study in a study room. Alright, हम study room में पढ़ाई करते हैं. So there is a proper ventilation, lights हैं, tables हैं, fan है, and a very least disturbance is there. बिल्कुल शोर नहीं आता, and we get a proper time, we get a proper environment to study. Alright, so therefore it's a study room. Now we're moving on to the drawing room. We sit with our guests in the drawing room. हमारे guests आते हैं तो हम अपने drawing room में बैठते हैं. We chit chat with them, we ask about how they are, and we have a good time with them. Alright, so it's a drawing room, and we mostly decorate our drawing room with lots of new things and ornaments. Now moving on to the living room, we watch TV, listen to music, and chat with our family members in the living room. So this is the room where we can have a good time with our family members, not the guests. Guests are there in the drawing room, but in the living room we have a good time with our family members. Alright, now dining room, it's a place where we eat our food with our family members. So whatever the meal that we take in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night, we generally take it in the dining room. Alright, in the dining room. So it's a must thing, because on the dining table all the family members eat together. They can have a good time, they have a good conversation, discussions about their day, they can discuss about food, they can discuss about your studies, whatever. So it's a very good place where all the family members meet. Alright, so we eat in the dining room. Now moving on to the bathroom, we take bath and go to the toilet. As you can see that there is a bathtub, there is a wash basin, there are towels, there are shampoo, soaps, wash basin, there is a toothpaste, soap. So all these things are very necessary for our day-to-day life. Why? Because we cannot live without having a bath, or we cannot there is not a single day when we do not go to the toilet. So it's a very must thing that should be there in all the homes. Alright, so it's a bathroom. Okay, so now we are moving towards the school. In the last portion we discussed about what is a house, what are the different rooms. Now we are moving towards the portion that is school. Now, can you see the picture? It's your school only, class 1. It's Gyan Mandir Public School. So whenever the lockdown will be over, we will switch to our schools. We will meet every day. We will have a very good time together. This is your school building, and this is the playground. The green colored playground is your school's playground. So whenever the lockdown will be over, whenever it will be safe for you to come in the school, we'll have a very good time. All right, we can have a good conversation, we can learn different things in school, so it will be fun. Now moving on to the different rooms of our school. Number 1 is classroom. What is a classroom? A classroom is a place where we all study. There is a blackboard, as you can see that there is a teacher. So whatever thing that we learn in the live classes or in the video lessons, we will be learning in the classrooms. That there is a blackboard, all right, there is a whiteboard, and all the students are listening to the teacher very attentively, and they are raising their hand whenever they have to answer. All right, so it's a very disciplined place. We all have to be very attentive. We have to stay quiet and learn the maximum that we can in the classrooms. Now moving on to the playground. This is a playground, and there are a lot of swings, there are a lot of different kinds of playful things. And whenever we get our PT period, whenever we get our games period, we go out and we can play as many games as we can. We can have a very good time. We can play with our friends. There are a lot of games that we can play in our playground. So this is a school's playground. Now this is the principal's office. As we discussed in the live class also, that our principal ma'am's name is Mrs. Sumati Anand. Alright, and she is our principal. And our principal is the head of the school. The principal takes all the decisions of the school. So we should always greet our principal ma'am, always show respect to them, and we should always make sure that we do everything that makes her feel proud of ourselves. Now moving on to the next slide. The next room is the staff room. Alright, as you can see that there are a lot of teachers and a very common table that is there, and all the teachers are discussing about certain thing. So this is a staff room where the teachers sit. They can have their food in the staff room. They can study before they can teach you. Alright, the teachers prepare for their lessons. The teacher do their checking work. All the notebooks, all the books are checked here. So this is a place where teachers do all the stuff, all the work that the teachers have to do. Alright, this is the accounts office. All the fee related work, all the money related work, all the school related work, the administrative work is done in the accounts office. जो भी आपकी फ़ी का मैटर होता है, या कभी आपको कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट बात करनी होती है regarding anything, so you go to the accounts office and you make sure that all the things are being discussed in the accounts office. Now this is a library. As you can see that there are a lot of books on the racks, and the students are reading all the books very attentively. They are reading the books very silently, and you can also see that there is a teacher behind all the students, which is who is supervising the students, who are keeping a check that all the students are reading very thoroughly. And the teacher which supervises us and which keeps a check on us in the library is known as a librarian. As we discussed in the live class, we call them librarian. She knows all about the books, so whenever we feel like whenever we want to search any book, we can just say to our librarian ma'am, and she will guide us that where that book is lying. Alright, so this is a library, and we will surely have a library period. So whenever we will have a library period in the school, we'll surely go to the school and have our books. Alright, now moving on. School toilets and water coolers. As you can see that there are a lot of toilets, alright, for the emergency purpose, because whenever we feel to pee, whenever we feel to go to the toilet, we go to the school toilets, and there is a water cooler as well. So whenever you feel like drinking water, whenever you are thirsty, there is a water cooler in our school as well, and we go to the water coolers and fill our water bottles so that we do not feel thirsty at all. Now these are the dance rooms. As you can see that the girls, the boys, everyone are dancing. They are following the steps. So it's a dance room, and we all do dance in the live classes also nowadays. So whenever we'll join the school, there is a dance room and we'll have a very good dance session there. All right. Art and craft room. As you can see that the students are drawing, they are sketching, they are having a very good time doing the art and craft work, and the teacher is also guiding the students to draw a particular thing very, very nicely. So under the guidance of the teacher, the art and craft teacher, the students are doing a tremendously good job. They are drawing, they are sketching, they are learning new things about the art and craft in the art and craft room. Now this is the medical room, and as you can see that there is a nurse ma'am, and there is a child who is not feeling well, and as you can see that all the important first aid things are there in the medical room. So God forbid if any child feels sick or is ill or gets injury, all right, so they can very well go to the medical room, and the nurse ma'am will very, very gently makes you well. All right, she will give you medicines which will make you very, very well. So this is the medical room which each school has, and our school has a very good medical room. All right, now moving on. Now we are moving on to the animals house. All right, as we live in our houses, there are houses of the animals as well. So there are different types of animals, and each animal has their different types of homes. As you can see that cow has a home that is known as a shed. So as you can see that the cow is having a stalk. Cow is eating the stalk. Chara kha rahi hai stalk. So this is the cow shed where there are a lot of cows which resides in the cow shed. Now this is a dog kennel. As you can see that that's a very small hut type wooden infrastructure which is there, and the dog is there inside the kennel. This is known as a kennel. इसको हम kennel बोलते हैं, and the dog here is living inside the kennel. So एक dog के घर को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Kennel. Now this is a bird nest. As you can see that there are eggs, there are different kinds of birds who are laying the eggs, who are taking care of the eggs through the nest. तो birds कहाँ रहते हैं? Birds nest में रहते हैं. They keep a check on their eggs, and they make their nest on their own. Different जगहों से they bring a lot of stalks, they bring a lot of sticks to sew their own nest. As you can see that how beautifully they make the nests. All right, hen coop. Hen generally lives in the coop. As you can see that there are a lot of hens, there are a lot of cocks, and they are living in a very net type thing. All right, so this is the nest. This is a coop for the hen. So hen generally lives in a coop. Now frog generally lives in a pond. As you can see that there is a pond, there are a lot of water. So as you can see that there is a frog, and frog is living in the water, in the pond. All right, so frog generally lives in the pond. Horse generally lives in the stable. Horse के घर को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Stable. All right, stable में रहते हैं horse. They are provided with the food here, they are provided with the water here, they take rest here, they sleep here. All right, so for horse the home is called the stable. So class, that's all about today. Now we are going to do the worksheet questions, so make sure that you do them well. Thank you.